Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in. It's your girl Beloved and I'm back with a new recipe for the channel. Beloved Catering Service is a business where we make cakes, meat pies, ring donuts, spring rolls, samosa and all kinds of fruit drinks and fruit juices, especially sobolo. We also make fried rice and jollof rice for all events and occasions. You can contact us with the information provided on your screen. We are going to fry some yam and tilapia paired with my black chili sauce for dinner today. The ingredients for today's recipe include 2 tubers of yam, and I'm using pona, which is a type of yam in Ghana, 2 tablespoons of powdered salt, 1 tablespoon of kosher salt, 3 cups of vegetable oil, 1 piece of a medium-sized tilapia, and some black chili sauce. Let's get started. Peel the yam. And cut it into 2 equal horizontal halves. Then divide the halves into 2 as well. Now cut one of the yam halves into slices according to your preferred shapes. I am cutting mine across the horizontal cuts I made earlier to obtain this shape you see in the bowl. Add some water and 2 tablespoons of powdered salt. Then wash the yam pieces thoroughly with your hands and set it aside. Pick out the tilapia from the freezer, add some water to it, and then cut it into pieces depending on the number of people you will be serving. This will also help it fry properly. Add in 1 tablespoon of kosher salt and set it aside. Let's fry the yam. Pour 3 cups of oil into a frying pan and allow it simmer for 5 minutes. Add in the first portion of the yam pieces into the simmering oil and then allow it fry for 10 to 15 minutes. And this is how I want the yam to be, very crunchy and perfectly golden. It's time to fry the tilapia. Pour 7 tablespoons of all-purpose flour onto a plate and put the tilapia on it. Now spread the flour on and around the tilapia pieces and then put it in the same oil after collecting the fried yam pieces from it. Allow the tilapia fry until golden brown. Remember to flip it onto the other side so that every part of the tilapia is fried evenly. Remove the fried tilapia with a wooden spoon into the colander beside the fried yam. And this is our fried yam and tilapia. Let's serve the fried yam and tilapia. Serve the fried yam and the tilapia side by side on a plate with black chili sauce. I have put a link to that recipe in the description box below. This is where today's video ends. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel for more videos like this every Thursday and Sunday. And guys, keep in touch by turning on your post notification icon so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video on the channel. Thank you so much for watching me until now. Until we meet again guys, stay safe. And let's all join hands and help this channel grow into something beautiful. Bye bye.